Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Thanks for joining me today. I have a, as the title says, Artemis Handmade. Yes, Artemis Handmade, the lovely Sid. I'll put a link to his Made Me shop down below in the description. But I ordered this, and let's have a look, shall we? Obviously I've already opened it. There we go. Right, very well packaged. You get a nice Artemis Handmade. There you go. You get a lovely compliment slip with the link. I'll leave that there, although there'll be a clickable link in the description, as I've already said. So, very well packaged. Lovely bubble wrap. I shall play with that later. You get a storage bag, okay, and inside this little envelope here we have a gold chain. There you go, can you see that? And the actual necklace itself. This is sea glass. Yeah, can you see that? Is that not just so beautiful? So thank you very much, Sid, for this. It is, as I say, truly beautiful. And yeah, good luck with the shop, and I'm sure I will be buying from you again. Okay, whatever you're doing today, everyone, hope you're having a lovely time. I will see you soon, so take care. Bye now.